Are you upgrading your home interiors in 2025? Then don't overlook one of the most underrated yet powerful elements of interior design: window blinds. From minimalist styles to bold statement pieces, window blinds have come a long way. In today's video, we'll explore all the top styles of blinds you should know, their features, benefits, and which rooms they suit best. Let's dive in. 1. Venetian blinds. Venetian blinds are timeless and versatile. Made from horizontal slats, they're perfect for controlling light and privacy. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in aluminum and wood finishes, giving them a modern yet natural look. They work wonderfully in kitchens, home offices, and even bathrooms thanks to their sleek design and easy maintenance. 2. Wooden and faux wood blinds. If you want a warm, classic vibe, wooden blinds are your go-to. They bring in texture and richness, making them ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. For more humid areas, go for faux wood options. They look like the real deal but handle moisture far better. 3. Roller blinds. Roller blinds are loved for their simplicity and clean lines. Whether you're going minimalist or layering with curtains, they work with nearly every style. In 2025, smart roller blinds are trending, controlled with just a remote or your phone. 4. Roman blinds. Roman blinds bring softness to a room with their fabric folds. Perfect for bedrooms, dining rooms, or any space that needs a touch of elegance. Choose from linen, velvet, or patterned fabrics to add texture and character. 5. Vertical blinds. Ideal for large windows or patio doors, vertical blinds are functional and chic. In 2025, they've gotten a style update with soft fabric textures and neutral color palettes. They're great for modern apartments or office spaces, offering privacy without blocking all the light. 6. Panel track blinds. A modern twist on vertical blinds, panel track blinds use wide fabric panels that slide smoothly. They're perfect for covering wide windows or acting as stylish room dividers. Choose materials that match your flooring or accent walls for a cohesive look. 7. Cellular or honeycomb blinds. These blinds are known for their energy efficiency. Their unique cellular structure traps air, keeping rooms warm in winter and cool in summer. They're perfect for eco-conscious homes and come in light filtering or blackout options, ideal for bedrooms and nurseries. 8. Motorized and smart blinds. Tech lovers, this one's for you. Motorized blinds are taking over in 2025. Control them via smartphone apps, voice assistants, or automated timers. They're sleek, silent, and a perfect addition to luxury and smart homes. 9. Sheer blinds and zebra shades. For those who love light without sacrificing privacy, sheer blinds and zebra shades are excellent options. Zebra shades alternate opaque and sheer fabric for adjustable light control, ideal for contemporary living spaces. They're stylish, unique, and trending fast this year.